Welcome to a guide on smart money management and easy frugal living tips for every household. Frugality is not being stingy, it is spending wisely. Understanding frugal living tips is essential for reducing costs without sacrificing quality. Frugal living tips are strategies that help individuals minimize expenses while maintaining financial stability. There are 3 types of frugal tips: budgeting, recycling, and negotiating prices. In the United States, Christmas alone costs billions and drains hundreds of thousands of bank accounts every single year. First, you create a budget by tracking all your income and fixed monthly expenses. Then, you compare at least 3 different options before making a purchase decision. Buying one branded product costs $10, while buying 3 generic ones costs $1. In the United States, Christmas alone costs billions and drains hundreds of thousands of bank accounts every single year. Shifting from impulse buys to planned spending transforms your annual financial health significantly. Savings calculated by subtracting your total expenses from your monthly total. A complex simulation of how different savings rates lead to compound interest growth over time. Repeatedly cutting unnecessary spending creates a continuous positive impact on savings goals. Item cost before savings, item cost after savings, item cost total savings. Item cost $100.00. Item cost $505.45. Item cost $22.18. A bar chart shows the monthly spending reduction from $5 to $1. Money is visually represented as water flowing into a bucket and then out a drain. Every dollar spent represents a loss of potential energy from the consumer's account. Finally, you review your records weekly to ensure no unauthorized charges occurred. If you found this useful, please like, share, and subscribe.